Well, it's about a few minutes after 10 on a Tuesday. Just got home. Steve and Kevin and I walk about a mile and a half in Steve's neighborhood on Tuesdays and Fridays. And then I walk around this neighborhood with the puppy dog the other days just to stay active. We're going to work on this. We're going to test ride this, guys, when Kevin gets here. He should be here shortly. I have to hook up the alternator, put primary oil in and transmission oil in, and I think that'll get it. Oh, and then we have to mount the foot pegs, and I think that'll do it. Get it ready, and we'll let it go out. This is an interesting deal. I bought this. It's a AC regulator. I can plug it in 120 volts, and get anything from 0 to 130 volts out. I'm going to use this possibly for checking bike electrical systems. I can plug in directly to the output from the bike's alternator and power the whole bike with this thing, running it up to about 50 volts, and run the whole bike's electrical system on it if I want. So I just bought that just for the heck of it. It'll be kind of cool. This is a mess left over from last night. I was so tired last night, I just said, I'm done, and did a walk away, which is highly unusual for me, because I usually put everything away, but I did a walk away last night. I was exhausted. So anyway, here sits the bike. We're going to do a test ride this morning as soon as we do the final little bits. Okay? All right, we think we've got the bike all ready for a road test. We're going to start it up here, listen to it, feel it, fondle it, and then roll it outside and take it around the block for about a mile or so, see how things work. We'll know by the end of the block whether or not we've fixed the transmission. All right, this is a reasonably cold start. The bike's been sitting for 3 or 4 days. Bringing up the electric leg. Good tickle. Not bad at all. Idle. Okay, we're going to take it outside now. Well, we're doing a rollout now. We check to make sure the clutch is free. Kevin swears if it pops out of third, it's going to be the shortest test ride we've ever done, which I can understand. Three, four. He made it through third. All right, let's see what he says when he comes back. Here he comes, and there's my neighbor backing out. Let's hope she doesn't do it. So. Well, let's go in here and have a talk. Kill switch works.
For want of a thrust washer, a gear was lost.
And for the want of the gear, the bore was lost.
She's a sweet little ride.
Is that right?
Yeah, just nice acceleration. Good compression. The brakes are good. She drops into idle when you stop. It's a winner.
You know what? Today is Tuesday.
Uh-huh.
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
Yeah.
Then cometh Thursday.
Yeah.
If it's still here, I'm going to ride it to lunch.
I don't blame you.
It's licensed. It's insured. It's got fully tagged.
Yeah.
Okay, so which is unusual for bikes in the shop.
Yeah.
So we have ourselves a street legal runner, and I think I might take it to lunch just for show and tell on Thursday.
She's lovely.
Isn't it a sweet bike?
Yeah. It's beautiful. Runs great. Yeah, you could put this in my stable, that's for sure.
Okay. I love that. All right, cool. Okay, so we just had what we consider to be a successful test ride. I've got it set up for an overnight leak check to see if we also solve the leak problem. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to let it sit here until tomorrow. And tomorrow we will probably work on the Green Goddess. We'll get the Norton up there and lift the lid off.
Sounds
okay? Anyway, so that's where we're standing. What do you say, Kevin?
I am Kevin Brown, and I approve this message.
There you go. Vote for Kevin.